How to get $100 DoorDash promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in DoorDash promo code and search for it. With that, different website options will appear. You can go through any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check out. DoorDash is a leading food delivery platform that connects customers with local restaurants, allowing them to order food for delivery or pickup through a convenient app or website. The platform offers a vast selection of restaurants and cuisines, ranging from popular chains to local eateries, giving restaurants a wide variety of options to choose from. Users can browse through menus, place orders, and track the status of their deliveries in real time through the DoorDash app or website. Now, to get discount on DoorDash, you can use these offers and promo codes. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of View Coupon. Once you open it, now you can copy the code. Now you can head towards the website of DoorDash, log into your account, and whenever you check out, apply the coupon code. In the case you want to use this coupon code right away, click on this option of Visit DoorDash. Now log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code. Likewise, you are also able to check out other websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. So this is how you can get $100 DoorDash promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.